Good morning. Today is July 29, 2024. It's Monday and I'm still not getting better. I got colds, I got cough. I was been sick for 5 days. I have this since July 24 when we are stranded on Typhoon Karina. And it's still coming back. So I did not go for a checkup or anything. I just self-medicate because I don't have a fever. So I have fever once and then it's gone because I take a medication right away. So but after how many days it's still have horrible voice. I got colds and cough and I cannot sleep every night. So I need to take an allergy pill so I can sleep. So after I take an allergy pills, I feel so sleepy. So this morning, it's there's an there's a rain, but Jerry wants to get out. He said he wants to buy some vegetable and coffee and donuts or somewhere on the SM. So I'm still worried because the typhoon Dindo is announced to landfall, but I do not want to stopping him for whatever he wanna do. So I do not want to get stressed also. That's why I know myself. I know where it comes from when I get sick. Sometimes this is also a sign of stress. I was been stressed for almost a month, so I just trying to hang on. So I have a video here this morning, so I just want to cook fish and I did not want to make a voiceover. And then I gonna show you our place and everything. So this is only an update and I'm sorry that I'm not really feel better doing this video. So just gonna make it really short video so everyone's gonna take care because Typhoon Dindo is almost on his way after the Karina. So most of the classes now are suspended. So I gonna see that on the news, but I did not watch TV. I just only see on some news here on my cell phone, but on the TV I cannot watch because our TV is only Fox News. So I gonna upload a video here and then please guys support my channel, and this is very important to me to monetize, and I have a lot of video coming soon, and I just want you guys to support and share and likes our video. I know it's some of my video are all boring, but I'm still on practicing, so hope you continue support my channel. Thank you.
Inampay ko, kakasampay ko lang. Bagyong Dindo. Rain, rain, rain going.
Hmm. Ay. Ay, naaaway. Naaaway. Ay, na, ayoko naman. Sinisita mo ako. Kasi yung pakipag na.
Mm.
Nangisipa pa. Akala ko maglalaro.
Asukal.
Get your donut. Get your donut. Get your donut.
Soy
Where's
sauce.
your donut? Where's your donut? Ha? Where's your donut? Bola na lang daw.
Vinegar. Mm. Charing.
Hayap? Hayap?
Play tayo kanina. Pwede na to. Ayan. Ano to, wala dapat tong ano eh. Wala dapat to luya, pero lalagyan ko. Yung adobo ko ding may luya. Kakaibang adobo yan na may luya. Ito medyo madikit tong kawali na to. Hmm. Yan. Ginger. Lagay na natin yung malaking fish. Oh, diba? Malaking fish. Ayan. Soy sauce. Ayan. Vinegar. Paminta. Tapos, ayan. Charing! Para ma-blend. Ayan. Konti, lagdagan natin konti. Water. Diba? Karina. Ayan, oh. Ay, hala, yung chinilas ko pala. Hala, nabasa. Wala, nabasa na. Wala, nabasa na ang chinilas. Inampay ko, kakasampay ko lang.